Hi students, today we see how we construct a perpendicular bisector of a given line segment by using a ruler and a compass. So let's see how we construct a perpendicular bisector. Let us take a line segment measuring 6.8 centimeter. First of all, you have to draw one line segment of 6.8 centimeter with the help of pencil. First of all, we take from point 0, 6.8 here, mark the point 6.8 here. Now join the line like this. This is 6.8 centimeter. Now remove the scale. You can give the name A and B here as it is a line segment. Now take the compass. This is compass. Hold the pencil tightly. Pencil should be pointed. Now with A as center, you have to take A as center. Take A as center and take radius more than half of AB. So students, see here, I am taking more than half. More than half here. Now make one arc like this. Above make one arc and below also make one arc like this. Hold the compass tightly here at the pointed end so that you can make arc properly. Now without disturbing the two hands of the compass, let's take B as the center and again draw an arc like this. Of the same radius. Now you see that two arcs are here. Two arcs intersecting the previous arcs at X and Y. You can give the name here capital X and here you can give the name capital Y. Now what you have to do? Just you have to put the point at the intersection of two arcs. Here also you have to put the dot at the intersection of two arcs. Now join X and Y, meet here, put the pencil, join dot to dot like this. Now you can see that X and Y intersecting AB at a point, you can say O, and it makes 90 degree here, and this line is called the perpendicular. You have to learn the name also, spellings also, perpendicular bisector. So this is called the perpendicular bisector which falls on the horizontal line. A vertical line falls on the horizontal line and makes 90 degree, that is the perpendicular. And why bisector? Because it bisects the line in equal halves. Now when you measure the two parts of the line, that is AO and OB, what you see? Let's see. When you measure, you get the, here it is 3.4. let's see, 0 to here 3.4, and when you measure the part OB, it is also 3.4, means here it is 3.4 centimeter, it's also 3.4 centimeter. So here we can also check that angle, here angle XOB is equal to 90 degree, OA is equal to 3.4 centimeter, OB is equal to 3.4 centimeter, and previously we took that AB is equal to 6.8 centimeter. So students, by this way you can construct the perpendicular bisector of a given line segment. First draw the line, cut the arc by taking the radius more than half of the line segment, and after then you join this to make the perpendicular bisector. You can measure the both part of the line. If it is equal, then you construct, it means that your construction is correct. So students, I hope that you all understood this, how you have to construct the perpendicular bisector. Thank you.